Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shadan Hakim Besamsul. For the subject BEI 2383 Power System Technology, I and my group member want to present our assignment, and the title is Solar Generator that we can found around our neighborhood. For the group member is first Ahmad Hafiz bin Mahzan, second Muhammad Nabil bin Rosman, next Muhammad Yusriza bin Abdullah, next Shazan Hakim bin Samsul, and last Muhammad Haikal bin Hazliman. Introduction. A solar generator is a device that converts sunlight into electrical energy. We can use this energy to power devices or appliances in our home. A powered system generally do not need fuel, or there might be no need to add fuel during the usage period. A solar generator works when a solar panel converts sunlight into direct current DC electricity that passes through the charge controller. Then, the solar energy is stored inside the battery. The emitter turns the electricity into accessible alternating current AC power. For this assignment, we decided to visit a solar power plant generation at Gading Kencana Solar Farm, which is located at Complex Hijau Solar, Jalan Solar 1, Hang Tuah Jaya, 7750075450 Air Keroh, Melaka. We researched on the detail of the power plants, starting from the solar panel basic design, construction, protection, and operation of its components.
Did you know solar electricity has been found around since 1839? Then, solar power is the fastest growing energy source and also the cheapest source of energy in the world.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hafiz. So I will be explaining about the basic design of a solar panel. So solar panel consists of solar cells that is usually made of silicon. Each cell produces about 0.5 volts. The solar cell consists of N-type and P-type silicon similar to a diode. When sunlight that consists of photons is reflected on the solar cell, an electron is removed from its bond with a silicon at the depletion region, and a hole is produced which causes the electrons to move to the N-type and the hole to the P-type. The electron and holes at both N-type and P-type creates a potential difference. That means if a load is placed, the electrons will flow and thus doing electrical work that can power up, for example, a light bulb. After that, these solar cells are put together to form solar modules, which are then put together to form solar panels and an array of solar panels, as you can see in the picture. Finally, the solar panels are slightly tilted depending on the location or latitude of the Earth to maximize their exposure to sunlight.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Yusriza bin Abdullah. So next is construction of a solar panel. The company has on its own developed, constructed and operates two solar farms which are located at Air Keroh, Melaka, respectively with total capacity of 46 megawatt peak with a total annual electricity generation of 63,771 megawatt hours sold to TNB. This solar panel has an area of 17.17 acres. Prior to the solar farm development, GKSB has designed and constructed many large rooftop solar PV plants for industry and small-scale systems for residential home. So, the cable used for this solar panel are as follows: DC 6 mm, 24 km, AC to feeder pillar 5 core 10 mm, 26 km, AC feeder pillar to MSB 25 km, AC switchgear to PPU 4 core 185 mm, 4 km. That is from this picture. This is our layer from the solar panel, which is aluminium frame, tempered glass, encapsulant EVA, solar cells, and encapsulant EVA again, bedsheet, and lastly a junction box. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, hi, my name is Muhammad Nabil. So, in this part, I would like to explain about the operation of each component in the solar generation. So, first of all, the solar panel will capture the sunlight and create the direct current electricity, which is the DC electricity. And then the DC electricity will go to the controller to regulate the voltage and also the current coming from the solar panels going to the battery. Then the DC load will get the power direct from the controller. But for the AC load, a solar inverter will take the DC electricity and convert it to the alternating current, which is AC electricity, which can be used to power a building or any AC usage.
Hi, my name is Mohammad Naikab Raziman. There are several ways on how to protect the solar panels. The first one is solar panel sealing. Solar panels have seals on them, much like windows and doors do. This can wear out over time, which allows water to get inside the PV mechanism and cause short circuiting. Prevent short out by regularly inspecting your panels, seals, and resealing any that are fading. Silicon-based sealants are best for fixing PV framing, and they are reasonably easy to do yourself. You may also need to upgrade the sealing between the roof and the panel if it shows signs of wear and tear. The figures show the example of sealing of the solar panels. The next one is weather protection features. Lightning rods installed to protect solar panel from lightning strikes. Installing this requires proper grounding connection to prevent any electrical injury. Even lightning strikes from feet away can harm the units. The figures show an example of lightning rods installed at the solar panel. And there is a proper grounding system to make sure to prevent any electrical injury. Last one is vegetation pruning. Always trimming the trees surrounding the solar panel, making sure there is no trees falling onto solar panel. It could leave scratches on the surface from falling twigs and debris, reducing the panel's ability to absorb sunlight. The ability can be reduced by damaged surface because the ray cannot adequately reach solar panels. As you can see, the figures show damaged solar panels that caused by trees and debris and also falling twigs around. Thank you.
For the conclusion, in conclusion, we have studied about the generation that we can find around our neighborhood. We have visited and researched about solar power plant generation at Gading Kencana Solar Farm, Air Keruh, Melaka. We have studied about the basic design, construction of solar panel, operation of each component, also protection of solar panel. And we can conclude that solar energy is efficient because the sun is free to use, it doesn't cause pollution, and is readily available in countries near the equator. Thank you.